Hi everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I got some new patterns from Teresa Kogut, and these are punch needle patterns. I'm going to put them on my Etsy shop, so by the time you see this video, these will be available in my Etsy shop, and I think there's only 3 of each, so if you see something you like, grab it quick because they're limited supplies. So now I'm going to open this up. I don't even remember what I got, what I ordered. Teresa shipped them on December 11th, and I just got them the first week of January. They were held up in the mail, so it was not Teresa's fault at all. It was held up in the mail. So it's just been so long that I don't even remember what I ordered. So we're going to be surprised together. So let's open it up and see what it is. Here we go. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, the first one is This Land. Again, these are all punch needle patterns. That one's called This Land. I love that one. I think I need to do that one for my bathroom because my bathroom is all Americana, patriotic. Country Santa, one of my favorites. There you go. So yeah, there's 3 of each one. Frosty, which is a snowman. I like the sage green in that. That's kind of becoming my new favorite color besides teal. I love teal. Woolly Estate. Sheep are so popular in primitive decorating, so I definitely want to do that one. And let's see what else there is. This is Fox and Friend. I know that was really popular when it came out, so I have that one. And this is Neighborhood. Now I've done this one twice. I have this pattern myself, and I've done this twice. It's pretty large. It's 6.75 by 11 inches, and I think I sold both the ones I did, but anyway, it comes out. It's so beautiful when that's all punched up. So all these patterns include the thread lists on the back, and then they also have the fabric inside. The weaver's cloth is inside, so you don't have to wait. You can get started right away. This is one of her newer ones. This is called Home. I haven't done that one yet. And then this one I have seen a lot. This is a super popular one. I've had it before and I sold out. It's called For You, the sheep. So if it's kind of Christmassy with the red scarf, but if you did it in a different color, I don't even know if it's Christmassy because it's not red and green. It's like red and blue. It's for winter. Anyway, I really like it. That is 4.5 by 6 inches, so it wouldn't take long to punch that. So these are the new patterns, and again, like I said, by the time you see this video, I'll have these all on Etsy, so you can purchase them. There's only 3 of each, so don't wait too long, and got to get some punching done for the winter. So all the snowstorms that are happening, this will keep you busy. Alright, see you guys. Happy punching and happy stitching for the wool applique girls and guys. Talk to you later. Bye.